Good morning everyone. My name is Obomneto Tamim. On behalf of the students, I am honored to welcome our chief guest, Dr. E.P. Shashi Kumar, a former renowned space scientist from ISRO. Ma'am Durga Anusha and all the teachers and parents who have gathered here today for this workshop. It is a truly privilege to have the opportunity to learn from such experienced and knowledgeable educators. As learners, we constantly seek ways to expand our knowledge and improve our understanding of the world. This workshop is a perfect opportunity for us to do just that, as we will hear from the expert in various fields and learn about new and exciting research. To all the learners present here today, I want to remind you to make the most of this opportunity. I want to thank the management and teachers who have organized this event and generously donated their time and expertise to make this workshop a reality. Once again, I want to extend a special welcome to our chief guest. We appreciate your willingness to share your knowledge and expertise. And I am confident that everyone here will gain something from your presentation. In conclusion, this workshop will be a valuable and informative experience for all of us. So let's make the most of this opportunity and take away something new and exciting to share with our kids. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Dom, for insightful speech. We are so proud of you, Dom. Next, to introduce our esteemed chief guest of the day, I would now like to invite our respected headmistress, ma'am, to do the honors.
Extremely grateful, first of all, good morning to one and all present here, my dear teachers, parents, management, everyone. And I'm extremely happy that we are able to organize this workshop, special workshop for our active parents who constantly support us and guide us. If we make any mistake, they also point us out. You are making this mistake. So we are in the learning phase, and gradually we are also improving. So for that, orienting kids is the collective responsibility. Nurturing our kids is collective responsibility for our staff, management, parents, everyone. So for that, as part of it, we have called one renowned personality, Dr. E.P. Shashi Kumar sir, who has written lots of books in early childhood. I would like to name few of his books. Life Made Simple, The Gita Way, and Being Better, and many more books. So for that, I would like to now hand over, not taking much of your time, I would like to hand over mic to our chief guest, E.P. Shashi Kumar sir, to address our parents. Sir.
All good? Happy? Happy or unhappy? Happy. But you're all seeing very serious. क्यों इतना serious? Why are you so serious? I am here because of my friend Unnikshnan. He was educational officer of VKVs in Arunachal Pradesh. And I am in Arunachal Pradesh maybe many times. All the VKV teachers, parents, students, Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalayas, up to Amliya, Itanagar many times. From 2010, 12, 13, 14, हम इधर रहते थे 10 दिन 15 दिन रह के सब बच्चों के साथ 9th क्लास बच्चों पूरा 35 स्कूल से लेके आते थे उसको and stay with them for 10 days एग्जामिनेशन के लिए प्रिपेयर करते थे and now the VKV children I see them in Punjab, Guwahati, different places in different education institutions, every institutions, university. Now Unnikshnan is not here. So last month I was in Delhi. So I just met Unnikshnan and he said there is a great school coming up in Pasiganj. So इस तरफ में कभी भी नहीं है. वो ईटानगर से अमलिया वो उस तरफ जाते हैं. And after 10 years I am coming to Arunachal Pradesh. वो टाइम पे मैं I used to come, there is no bridge. अभी बहुत बड़ा ब्रिजेस आ गए, roads अच्छा बन गया. Right? So I thought I will come and see this place. So स्कूल के लिए मैं नहीं आया. Actually to see the place I came. Right? And immediately responded. I did not even ask question. When the question came that I want to come, I was just feeling to come. Then there was an invitation. I thought I'll come. So आपको क्या बोलूं? वो सोचा भी नहीं. So I want all of you to ask questions. Questions. What is Dr. GPS? Somebody said I am a space scientist. But I don't think space scientists have something to tell you, right? Space के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? सीखना चाहते हैं? नहीं ना? But I'll tell you, from the hotel morning, 2 telephone calls came. Every day I get lot of calls, thousands telephone calls, messages आते हैं. आज का 2 telephone calls सुबह से. If you want, I can show you my telephone and then how many minutes I spoke. One is an MBBS doctor's mother. Good student. From childhood onwards, 10th class में अच्छे मार्क्स से पास हो गए, 12th भी पास हो गए, entrance examination का MBBS हो गया. फिर final year MBBS पे 4th year MBBS हो गया, 5th year चल रहा है. Attending patients in hospital. वो डॉक्टर है, खुद डॉक्टर है, but a mental patient. She is a doctor, but she is a mental patient. Tension बहुत ज़्यादा है. हर दिन medicines ले रहे हैं. So mother is in tension. MBBS से कुछ फायदा नहीं है. MBBS के बाद क्या कोर्स करेंगे? Which are the courses after MBBS? After MBBS क्या करेंगे? आगे पढ़ रहे हैं तो क्या पढ़ेंगे? आप डॉक्टर्स के पास नहीं जाते? स्पेशलिस्ट, कौन सी स्पेशलिस्ट? MS, MD, correct? You don't go to an MBBS doctor, you go to an MS or an MD. Eye specialist के पास जाते हैं ना? So they are not MBBS, they are after MBBS specialization. Correct? So the question is, what specialization this child will do? वो tension पे हो. And another student who is preparing for civil service. Which is the toughest exam in the world? कौन सी एग्जाम? Toughest exam. वर्ल्ड में दुनिया में बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स होता है, इसमें toughest exam कौन सी एग्जाम?
IES,
IAS.
Indian Agent Services.
Indian Administrative Service. So some mother called, उसका बेटी भी IAS को प्रिपेयर कर रहा है, 3 बार फेल हो गया, टेंशन लेते नहीं लेते। ग्रेजुएशन के बाद 3 years ट्रेनिंग पे मेंटल टेंशन। So why they called me? Both parents, mothers. One is an MBBS doctor's mother, another IAS का mother. क्यों? उसको भी टेंशन। Why tension people telephone to me? Is it because I am a space scientist? Why? I am a psychotherapist. I am an MS in psychotherapy. So what do I do? Psychological counseling करते हैं बच्चों को, parents के लिए, right? टेंशन है तो वो रिलीज करते हैं, that is what I do. तो मेरा बुक्स में लास्ट 2-3 books are all on mental health, क्योंकि आजकल सब लोगों के एक ही प्रॉब्लम है। क्या प्रॉब्लम? टेंशन। आप लोगों में किसी लोग हैं उसको टेंशन नहीं है? अभी आपको चेहरा देखे तो मालूम होता टेंशन, करेक्ट? क्या टेंशन है? ये क्लास कब खत्म हो जाएगा, कब जा सकते हैं, वही सोचते रहते हैं। इधर बैठ रहा है बट बाहर का काम सोचते रहते। Are you really happy? Are you really happy?
No, sir.
Eh?
Happy नहीं।
You want all answers. You want all answers. Immediately you will get answer from. कहाँ से मिलता? Who is the best teacher in the world? Eh? Google, right? तो मैं कल एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, आप पूछा नहीं पता। Which is the worst animal in the world? तो एक गूगल को पूछो आप अभी पूछ सकते हैं, आपके पास टेलीफोन है तो आप पूछो, ट्राई। कभी पूछा है? ट्राई, आपके पास है गूगल है, पूछते आप, ले लो फोन ले लो। एक क्लास नहीं है, वर्कशॉप है। टीचर्स, डू यू हैव टेलीफोन विद यू? टेक द टेलीफोन। हे गूगल, पूछता है ऐसा, हे गूगल, which is the worst animal in the world? हाँ, क्या आंसर है? मॉस्किटो है। यू टेलिंग ह्यूमन बीइंग नहीं है। मुझे भी अभी मेरा कनेक्शन नहीं, इधर बीएसएनएल का कनेक्शन है। ओनली जी इधर कनेक्ट करके कौन सी है? Which is the worst creature in the world? Mosquito. कल भी वही बोला, but I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. Do you agree with Google? Mosquito is the worst animal. कौन सी है? Tell me. You should speak to me, not like just listen. Then I corrected the question. Is it not human being the worst animal in the world? ऐसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछो आपको मिलेगा। Is it not human being the worst animal in the world? Ask a question. अभी पूछ लो। Is it not?
Yes.
Yes. आंसर क्या था? गूगल भी बोलेगा। गूगल अभी बोलेगा आपको सही है। क्यों? First, why you did not tell that human beings is the worst? Because किसने बनाया हो? Who made this? Google. Human. Correct? So they don't want to tell us the first answer. But if you ask again, it will tell you that. So who is the best teacher? Human being is the best teacher. Google is the best teacher, but what to ask? How to ask? If you don't agree how to argue, that you should. What is that engineering called? The most modern engineering in the world. Mechanical, civil, सब सुना ना? Civil engineering.
Yes, sir.
Civil engineering. Civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical, electronics, computer science, something. But you know which is the best engineering in the world today? Tell me something. Which is the best engineering? ये पूरा नहीं, so right engineering. कौन सी engineering? Software is IT. Software पूरा बोल दिया. No, something else. I want to know whether have you heard about that engineering? Come on. Tell me. No, it is technical. It is technical, but I am given a clue now. अभी तक. AI also is computer science. After that, yeah, to work out AI, you need another engineering. That engineering is called prompt engineering. Understood? Now, this boy wanted to speak. When I was going there, he was crying. Correct? But he became alright. I took some time, got his hand, came along with me, made me to sit, asked a few questions. Do you want this or that? His attention diverts. And he has got a prompting. वो कागज पे लिख के रखा ना, that's called it prompting. So if you have something with you, that will tell you. Drama कैसे हो सकता है? On the stage somebody will be there. कागज पे लिख के कोई पीछे लिखते. Then if somebody is missing dialogue, क्या देते हैं? इसको बोलते हैं prompting. She also have got so many things in her. Prompting. Everybody prepares and gives it. That is prompting. So आज का engineering कौन सी engineering है? Tell me. Prompting. Knowledge सबके पास है. But immediately on the spot it will not come. Buddhi, this is called buddhi, right? Do you have buddhi? Who has got more buddhi? You have more buddhi or your husband have more buddhi? Ladies have more buddhi or gents have more buddhi?
Ladies.
Ask Google whether ladies have more buddhi. सब पूछ लो आज से. You should have a lot of questions like this. I have asked all these questions. पूछ लिया, सब पूछ के आया. Who has got more buddhi? Gents agree, ladies have more buddhi. Do you agree? Please ask me. Tell me, who has got more buddhi? Okay, now let me ask. This is buddhi. You want to eat ice cream. ये बुद्धि से आता है friends? कहाँ से आता है? Where is that desire comes? I want to see, I want to taste a flower. I want to smell food. I want to taste. Who will tell me? Buddhi? No. Eh? Yeah, not heart. English is a dirty language. English is a dirty language. I am using that language only. But English में क्या बोलते हैं? Heart. But heart is pumping blood. Heart will not have desire. Money. Do you know Shankaracharya? Heard about Shankara? Heard about Shankaracharya? No? Who? Shankaracharya is a great guru who revolutionized Hinduism after Buddhism and Jainism, and he is from my native Kerala state. So whichever temple, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Rameshwaram, कोई भी टेम्पल जाके देखो पूरा शंकराचार्य का इंस्टॉलेशन। क्या शंकराचार्य ने क्या बोला? माना, रिपीट, माना, louder. You don't want to, you want this class or not? Class चाहिए नहीं चाहिए? Then you should become part of it. Mana, mana. What is mana? Man. Man. Hindi, manam, Sanskrit. Manam, manam, repeat. Darpana, saman. Darpana is what? Mirror. Man, darpan, saman. मतलब क्या है? Mind is like a mirror. Correct? आप कवर देखें तो immediately desire comes from manas. Mirchi bhaji, chicken biryani. Immediately what happened? It works like a mirror. So this is the software. आपका body एक computer है तो software कौन सी है? Mind. Hardware कौन सी है? Brain, बुद्धि. पूरा informations कहाँ रहता? बुद्धि, hardware, backup, storage. Manas is like a software. Eye, ear, tongue. Then smell, touching, skin. These are input-output devices. Correct? Touch. Oh, yellow color, beautiful color. Who says this? I will see the color. Immediately Manas will say beautiful. Beautiful is not buddhi. It is from Manas. Correct? Immediately buddhi will say no, yellow is not good. पहले क्या बोलते हैं? Yellow is beautiful. Then Manas will say yellow is beautiful. Buddhi will say not good. घर पे क्या होता है? Wife will tell that is beautiful. Husband will say not beautiful. झगड़ा होता नहीं? Yes or no? So who is buddhi at your house and who is heart at your house? हाँ, बोलो.
Husband buddhi or wife of man.
So whether ladies have more buddhi or more manas? Buddhi. Ladies have more manas and gents think that they have more buddhi. Understood the difference? Gents think that they have more buddhi and ladies think that ladies have got. ये मैंने नहीं बोला, नेल्सन मंडेला ने. Do you know Nelson Mandela? Yes. Who is that? Who is Nelson Mandela? Who is Nelson Mandela? South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi's great friend. Correct? Mahatma Gandhi's greatest friend. Nelson Mandela. We have only one Mahatma Gandhi. Only one Mahatma. Recently, few months back, I was in Sri Lanka. Where is Sri Lanka? आपके पास श्रीलंका बोले तो इमीडिएटली मैप्स आ रहा है क्या? हैं? Yes or no? That means you have knowledge. That means you have knowledge. But a lot of people, they have buddhi, but they don't have knowledge. So then what they will do? Google जाके Google map देख के they will find out this is person. Correct? बुद्धि भी नहीं है, knowledge will not come. So buddhi is more important or knowledge is more important? Which is more important? बुद्धि है तो नॉलेज आता है, बुद्धि नहीं है तो नॉलेज नहीं है। करेक्ट? बुद्धि भी है, नॉलेज भी है, पैसा नहीं, लाइफ चलेगा। So who will get money? किसको आता है? Tell me, who will get money? Who will get money? बना सकता है, बनाने के लिए क्या चाहिए वही पूछ रहा हूँ। बुद्धि चाहिए, पर बुद्धि से पैसा आता है क्या चाहिए? नॉलेज है तो भी, नॉलेज है तो पैसा आता है। क्या चाहिए? इसके नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन हार्ड वर्क नहीं, वर्क हार्ड नहीं है, स्मार्ट वर्क। डोंट डू हार्ड वर्क, व्हाट टू डू? यू नो व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन हार्ड वर्क एंड स्मार्ट वर्क? आपके पास एक पत्थर है, एक हैमर है, go on hitting, it takes so many hits to break, that is hard work। स्मार्ट लोग क्या करते हैं? उसको पीछे आगे देख के मालूम होता है इधर एक मारे तो डेफिनेटली एक हिट में वो ब्रेक हो जाता है। So he uses knowledge, the other fellow without knowledge he works, it's called hard work। So do you want to do hard work or smart work? Understood the difference? So पैसा आने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता? स्मार्ट वर्क, otherwise hard work no पैसा। If you do hard work, money need not come, may come, but chances both come। Okay, knowledge है, पैसा है, काफी कर रहा हूं। What is most important? Bhagwan, do you pray? If God comes to you and say, what is that you want? What you will ask? What is that you are asking God? भगवान से क्या मांगते हो?
Peace and happiness.
Peace and happiness. Correct? So you don't want money. You don't want work. You don't want knowledge. But अभी आप बोला ये पूरा important है। ये पूरा है तो भी आपको क्या चाहिए? Happiness चाहिए। So there are three things important in life. Only three. One is knowledge. Where is knowledge in your body? This part of the body. Correct? Here, smell, taste, पूरा इंद्रियाज इंद्रिय, पूरा input output disease, all that is here. Disease only, not ease. So the head is your knowledge. Correct? Good enough? No. If you have a lot of money, what do you do generally? Build a big house, buy the big car, some big picture, you want big position. So what is that? Power position. Kshatriya. That is called a Kshatriya. Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Punjab. This is Uttar Pradesh. Got it? All these places, power position. Good enough? No. पैसा चाहिए, that is Malaysia, Madhya Pradesh. And what is bottom? Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Happy. Got it? This is what our Vishnu Sahasranama says. Vedanta ko Brahmanaha. If you want knowledge, you are teacher's profession. Teaching is your job. They are Brahmins. Who is the Brahmin? Vedanta go Brahmana. You want knowledge, Veda means knowledge. You want knowledge, you are a Brahmana. You want power position, then you are a Kshatriya. You want to be a teacher, you are a Brahmana. You want to be principal, then you are a Kshatriya. Understood? And you want to make money, you are a Vaishya. You want only happiness, Shudra. So you said you want happiness. When you learn more and more, you become less happy. You earn more and more, you become less happy. You become so powerful, you become less happy. Who is the happiest person? No bank balance, no bank account. Correct? No power, no position. You ask the commissioner, he is happy. You think Prime Minister Modi is happy? Or then tension is that also. Correct? When you have more power, I work with Prime Minister of India, not with the Modi. Manmohan Singh. मनमोहन सिंह के साथ काम किया था 2 साल उसके साथ एवरीडे टेंशन में बहुत सारे टेंशन आप सबसे बड़ा ऑफिस में काम करो ज्यादा टेंशन में हु इज द हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन लोवेस्ट पर्सन इज हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन करेक्ट सो यू वांट टू बी लोअर और हायर okay for happiness like a lower person but live like a higher person. This mix is possible only when you are 5 things. 5 qualities are required. One is physically strong. अब थोड़ा physical ठीक नहीं है तो क्या होता है? अभी you have severe stomach pain, neck pain, knee pain, headache. क्लास में आप concentrate कर सकते हैं क्या? No, you cannot. So what happened? Physically fit. First quality, physically fit. Second one, emotionally balanced. I want to be emotionally balanced. Intellectually smart. कुछ भी पढ़े तो ask me question, I will answer. Yesterday also somebody telephoned me. Yesterday morning. Don't remember. Today morning or yesterday? Somebody telephoned. I want to become IAS. He said, wonderful. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था, where was Prime Minister Modi yesterday? आज कहाँ है पता नहीं, 1 मिनट उसके बाद ही मालूम. बट कल कहाँ है? आज का न्यूज़ पे रहता ना. Yes or no? No, I have not read newspaper. You have not read newspaper. You don't know Indian Prime Minister. What is he doing? And you want to become Indian Administrative Service? नहीं होता है. हर एक दिन इंडिया के बारे में क्या हो रहा है सब मालूम होते हो. You can become IAS. मेरा डिपार्टमेंट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया में लास्ट रिटायरमेंट स्पेस डिपार्टमेंट नहीं था. I was with the cabinet secretariat. कौन सी डिपार्टमेंट? Cabinet. That is Prime Minister's office. PM's office है. PM's office is called the cabinet secretariat. IAS का top position cabinet secretariat. I was deputy director. Right? So to become that, what you should do? Every day you should have knowledge. What is happening in India? सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं है. बाहर इंडिया से कनेक्टेड कौन सी दुनिया है वो सबके बारे में मालूम. Understood? So, physically fit, then intellectually sharp, emotionally balanced. Balanced का मतलब क्या है? Don't become down sometime, up sometime. आप भगवद गीता पढ़ा है कभी? Have you read Bhagavad Gita sometime? No. Bhagavad Gita is the best textbook for emotional mind. Look at my name. What is my name? Dr. TPS. What is my name? You have telephone or you have pen and paper. आप पढ़ने के लिए आए हैं. Generally, see, she is the only one who is right. Nobody else. आपका दिमाग कितना अच्छा है सब आपको मालूम होता है? She is the only one who has no दिमाग. So it's really all others are brilliant people.
हम लिख रहे हैं सर, हम भी लिख रहे हैं।
आपका टीचर्स भी नहीं लिख रहा हो, इतना ब्राइट टीचर्स है। उसके बाद हाफ एन आवर के बाद क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं ना, हर क्लास के बाद एग्जाम होता है, सो हर हाफ एन आवर के बाद में क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, मैं क्या बोला वो बोलो, करेगा। वही है मेरा वर्कशॉप। मेरा वर्कशॉप में यही होता है। सो ऑल ऑफ यू शुड राइट एटलीस्ट मेरा नाम तो। उसके बाद एक क्लास हो गया यहाँ 27 फरवरी। कौन आया था? एक बूढ़ा आदमी आ गया। कहां से? साउथ इंडिया से आया है। वो क्या बोला? कुछ तो बोल के चले गए। पूरा वेस्ट, टाइम वेस्ट हो गया। टाइम वेस्ट इसलिए हो गया है, आप लिखते नहीं। लिख के देखो, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होता। मेरा नाम बोलो एक बार, डॉक्टर टीपी शशि कुमार सर। पूरा नहीं बोलना, डॉक्टर टीपीएस। क्या है? टी बोलो, टी पी एस। इसका मतलब क्या है? टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स एंड स्टूडेंट। दैट इज डॉक्टर टीपीएस। अंडरस्टूड? मैं यही काम करते हैं। 1 million teachers, 1 million parents, more than millions of students, वही काम किया लास्ट 10 साल से यही कर हर दिन। एंड गो टू यूट्यूब। अब खोल दो यूट्यूब। यूट्यूब खोल के टाइप नो डॉट नो गैप DR। DR का मतलब डॉक्टर, डॉक्टरेट। कौन सी सब्जेक्ट में? मैथमेटिक्स। मैथमेटिशियन। फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स, PhD फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स, फिजिक्स पे DRTPS। थोड़ा गैप, यस थोड़ा गैप। BG, BAB सेकंड लेटर, G for Guwahati, B for Bangalore, BG। You will get lot of videos. BG का मतलब भगवत गीता। So what do I teach? I teach Bhagavad Gita. What is Bhagavad Gita? What is Bhagavad Gita? You know, Arjuna was a great warrior. Strong था, emotionally पूरा strong था, intellectually sharp था। बट क्या हुआ? एग्जैक्ट वार फील्ड कुरुक्षेत्र। कहां पे कुरुक्षेत्र? यू गो टू यूपी, दिल्ली से लिटिल नॉर्थ। दैट इज वेयर द महाभारत वॉर। ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंड? ही वेंट देयर, ऑपोजिट पूरा पार्टी फाइटिंग के लिए रेडी है। यू नो हाउ वाइड, कितने लेंथ में था पूरा सोल्जर्स? 30 किलोमीटर। पूरा वारफील्ड का विड्थ 30 किलोमीटर था। And everybody is ready. Arjuna says, I cannot fight, I am going back home. He is strong, correct? His emotion is perfect. बुद्धि भी सही था। Then what he said is, I don't want to fight, I am going back. Then Krishna came, Bhagwan, God. Krishna came and said, no, you should fight. What for? You should act. Action is important. Then only you can become king. Power, position, paisa, सब. Action is important. So what is Bhagavad Gita? Karma is important. Action is important. Bhagavad Gita का message क्या है? Action is important. If you don't do action, आपको क्या होता है? You get sad. ये सब कुछ है, मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा। You will not be happy. So what is Bhagavad Gita? मेरे पास सब कुछ है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू एक्शन, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू एक्शन. So what is Bhagavad Gita says? You have to do action for what? To become happy. So what is Bhagavad Gita? To make people happy. The best psychological book, making everybody happy. So what is that we all want? Happy. Some people become happy when they get money. Some people become happy when they get knowledge. आप इधर क्यों आए आज? पैसा के लिए आए? थोड़ा knowledge के लिए आया होगा ना? So you are here because you get some knowledge, you become some happy. Correct? So what is that knowledge? भगवान कृष्ण ने अर्जुन को क्या दिया? Knowledge दिया. To what? To become happy. So Bhagavad Gita, shall I teach you Bhagavad Gita? Whole Bhagavad Gita, 700 slokas. No. Shall I teach you Bhagavad Gita in 2 lines? 2 words, line में नहीं चाहिए. पहले वो पूरा टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं है. पूरा टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ो, आप हार्ड वर्क करो. यू अंडरस्टूड? उसपे खींच के एक लाइन ले लो, वो लाइन ले लो, परफेक्ट. ये भगवत गीता है. इफ यू कैन टेल लाइक दैट, यू आर स्मार्ट प्लेयर. पूरा कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम से द वर्ल्ड इंग्लिश कॉम्प्रहेंशन बोल के एग्जाम. व्हाट इज इंग्लिश कॉम्प्रहेंशन? पूरा फाइल पढ़ के उसमें से थोड़ा नोट लिख के दे. वही हमारा काम. यू थिंक प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल रीड द होल स्टोरी? वो क्या पढ़ते? कोई उसका असिस्टेंट रहता, सेक्रेटरी रहता, वो लिख के थोड़ा लिख के दे. परफेक्ट कर दी. सो पूरा भगवत गीता पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं है. इसमें से क्या लेना? 2 लाइन. सो व्हाट इज द भगवत गीता मैसेज? कोई भी पूछे तो आपको मैं पूरा भगवत गीता लिख लिया. But only 2 lines, 2 words. भगवत गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर फर्स्ट लाइन पे स्टार्ट नहीं होता है. So if you start reading boring है. तो कहां से पढ़ना? Smart. Not smart. First chapter first line से आप स्टार्ट हो. If you are smart, where you will start? Second chapter 11th श्लोक. Second chapter 11th श्लोक. वो क्या बोलते हैं? अशोच्या. What is the beginning? भगवत गीता का beginning. Repeat करो एक बार. अशोच्या. What is it? अशोच्या. अशोच्या. शोच्या means sad. Ashocya means not sad. Don't be sad. So what is the first word Bhagavan says? Don't be sad. Understood? What is God? Bhagavan, Krishna teaches Arjuna. When he was not able to, he learned everything. पूरा लिख के पढ़ के पूरा प्रैक्टिस करके आया है. But then what was his problem? Sad. So what did I tell him? Don't be sad. Are you getting? To make somebody act, to somebody do the job, what is the first thing what you should tell? Don't be sad. What is the best lesson anybody can give? Don't be sad. Anything happens, don't be sad. Okay? Is it a great lesson? Yeah, it's a great lesson. Otherwise, he will not perform. Ashocya. What did I tell him? Bhagavad Gita first. What Bhagavan told? Ashocya. What is the last lesson? Second chapter के बाद third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th chapter, 63 sloka. Last line. Ma Shucha. What is the last line? Ma Shucha. Shucha again means don't be sad. So beginning पहले क्या बोला था? Don't be sad. Last क्या बोला? Don't be sad. So Bhagavad Gita is don't be sad. आप सीख लिया भगवत गीता. किसी को भी बोल सकते. Second chapter 11th श्लोका, 18th chapter 63rd श्लोका, भगवत गीता is over. What is the message? Don't. सबको ये बोलना है. What is parenting? Parent is not father or mother or brother or sister. Parent कौन होता है? Who makes somebody happy. You understood? In India, in Bharat, who is a putra? What is putra? Brahmaputra. Only one river. Only one gents river. पूरा दूसरा पूरा रिवर्स लेडी रिवर्स. आपके पास ये एक ही ब्रह्मपुत्र. बाकी हर जगह पे देखो इंडिया पे all the rivers are Yamuna, Saraswati, Ganga, पूरा ladies name. Only one gents name for a river. क्यों? Once it become angry, the whole area get flooded, right? Very powerful gents का जैसे. If I die on her lap, she is my putra. What is definition of putra? When I die, मेरे पास कौन है? डेथ बेड में लास्ट टेंशन रहता है. वो टाइम पे whoever is beside you say don't worry, don't worry. So who is telling me don't worry? He is my putra. Who is with me at the last moment? They are my putra. Okay. Brahma is, who is the God Brahma? You have Brahmaputra. Who is Brahma? Now you understood what is Putra. Now you ask me what is Brahma. Who is Brahma? Creator. Who's creator? Who created this? Who created this? Who created this? Who created this? Who is Brahma? Inside you, at least ये आपको मालूम हो रहा है ब्रह्मा कहाँ है, कौन है ब्रह्मा. क्योंकि ब्रह्मपुत्र आपके पास है. कोई भी पूछेगा ना कौन है ब्रह्मा, ये तो आप बोलना सबको आज. What was today's class? सब कुछ भूल जाओ, मेरा नाम भी भूल जाओ, but don't forget ब्रह्मा, क्योंकि आपका पुत्र है. हृदय, हृदय. Where is हृदय? Heart. हृदय. Guhara. Guhara means cave. Guha is cave. Hridaya. Repeat. Hridaya. Guhara. Madhye. In the center of Hridaya, go inside the cave. Hridaya. Hridaya. Guhara. Madhye. Kevalam. Only one thing is there, Brahma. Inside your Hridaya, inside you go, and then what you will see is Brahma. So where is Brahma? In each one of your heart inside. Soul, inside that is created. Not creation. Brahma is the God of creativity. वो करने के लिए एक मन रहता ना, वो मन है ब्रह्मा. Who is Brahma's wife? Brahma तो gentleman है. You should have a wife. So tell me who is Brahma's wife? Saraswati. Who is the goddess of Saraswati? Knowledge. So what does it mean? You have creativity, research, thinking, only when knowledge is with you. Husband and wife should be together. Brahma is there, knowledge will come here. First thinking should be there. Then words will come. पहले क्या बोला था? पैसा. Who is the goddess of money? Lakshmi. Who is her husband? Vishnu. Action. कहाँ पे एक्शन है उधर पैसा. कहाँ पे नॉलेज है उधर ब्रह्मा क्रिएटिविटी है. आपके पास बहुत आइडिया है, बट नॉलेज नहीं है तो किसी को नहीं बोल सकते. व्हाट इज important. Brahma is important. Idea is Brahma. Idea तो है, but बोलना चाहिए ना. नहीं बोले तो कैसे मालूम? आपके पास घर का प्लान पूरा है, but how do you make it happen? लिखना है, ड्रॉ करके रखना है, उसके बाद इंजीनियर के पास जा सकते हैं. So creativity सिर्फ है तो काम नहीं चलेगा. Creativity के साथ knowledge, action के साथ पैसा. Yesterday was a great day. What was yesterday? Yesterday night. अभी ब्रह्मा हो गया, विष्णु हो गया, लक्ष्मी हो गया, सरस्वती हो गया, शिवा को कैसे छोड़ सकते हैं? So हर दिन काम करने के बाद आपको क्या चाहिए? आराम. You want to sleep peacefully. What is that you want? Peace. Who is the Bhagwan of peace? Shiva. That is why Shiva is the god of samadhi, meditation. Shiva is the god of meditation, samadhi. I am a meditation master from Himalayas. I am a meditation master of Himalayas. Rishikesh is my ashram. Swami Rama is my guru. So we all believe Shiva. अभी कुंभ मेला चल रहा है. कुंभ मेला ending day Shiva. Who is Shiva's wife? पार्वती. पार्वती का दूसरा नाम शक्ति. आपको कुछ भी तकलीफ है, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, क्या पूछेगा? Had a good sleep? Then half problem is solved. If you don't have sleep, that is the biggest problem. Okay? So health के बारे में, if you are strong, mentally, physically, emotionally, intellectually, आपको कब नींद नहीं आते? When you have lot of things to study, you are not able to study. कल इंसान से कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा, वो भी sleep नहीं होगा. So emotionally, mentally, all that is perfect. When you will feel so happy, when I have somebody who is beside, who will take care of you. Correct? So most important is society. People beside. So 5 elements: physical. You have to make your children fit for 5. That is parenting. That is why I built it. What is parenting? Physical. Make your child physically fit. Emotional, balanced. Emotional, then intellectual, brain has to be good. Socially active. See, you can make your child education, physical, intellectual, even spiritual. सब घर पे कर सकते. Why are you sending to school? Social development. Up to age 3 to grade 3. Age 3 से grade 3 तक. What is education? Education is basic requirement of education. Social skill development. Correct or not? Education is for social skill development. That means they should know how to talk to people, how to mix with the people. Number 1. Second one, language skill. क्या है? Language skill. When child is 1 year, 1 year old child, do they speak? No. 3-year-old, 3-year-old they can speak in the mother tongue. Correct? So 1 year to 3 years, that 2 years, they can learn a language. We all learn the language 1 साल से 3 साल तक. वो 2 साल पे we have learned 1 language. Correct? So from this age, how many languages we can learn? So many languages we can learn. So language learning is not a problem. क्योंकि 1 साल पे in 2 years, 1 year to 3 years, how many language? One language we learn. So I can learn any language. So the ability to get children, हमारा education का basic requirement, learning language, interpersonal relationship, logical reasoning. What is logical reasoning? ये क्यों करना, ये क्यों नहीं करना? Now, when I said Sri Lanka, immediately map आ गया आपका mind. That is logic. Her exam पे, the civil service IAS exam, the first part is logical reasoning. Many people fail. Understood? So most important वो कब से start करना? Age 3 to grade 3. Age 3 to grade 3. Most important, logical reasoning, analytical skill, mathematical ability. What is mathematics? That bottle, how much water is there? If I pour in glass, पूरा होता है क्या, फिल होता है क्या? That ability to measure, ability to measure length, ability to measure anything. What is the thickness of this paper? एक बच्चे को पूछ रहा हूँ, what is the thickness of this paper? What is the thickness of this paper? If you are able to tell, logic correct. Tell. Let me see whether. Otherwise, I will tell whole India. Which is this place? Pasigat people, no logic. You are Pasigat people have no logic. You tell me what is the thickness of this paper. Half an hour? आपके पास मेजरमेंट के लिए कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट है? आपके पास सिर्फ स्केल है. Can you measure this with the scale? mm scale पे होगा. But can you measure this on the scale? Then how do you measure? आप तो बोल रहा हो 0.5 mm. How do I check correct? आप कैसे चेक करेंगे?
उसको सर मेजर एंटर लिखो, मेजर करके डिवाइड.
How do you measure? पूरा 100 papers लिख दो, measure करो, divide by, that is engineers. You understood? That will come logic. That will come when you have mathematics. So why are you learning? Yeah, logical reasoning, analytical skill, mathematical ability, language skill, interpersonal relationship. सब डेवलप होता है कब से? एज 3 to grade 3. एज 3 to grade 3. न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में कुछ नहीं, पुराना एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में बेसिक एजुकेशन हुई. So in that basic education policy, she knows only her 3-4 books. उसका नाम भी पता है, ज्यादा पता नहीं. करेक्ट? क्योंकि कृष्ण ने बोला होगा, ये तो इंटरनेट पे होगा. But that's an old. Correct? This is. But ending.
And for vendors of age 3 to grade 3. Yes.
Age 3 to grade 3. मेरा बुक का नाम है ग्रैंडमा चाइल्ड केयर शिक्षा गुरुकुलम. What is the book name? ग्रैंडमा चाइल्ड केयर शिक्षा गुरुकुलम. शिक्षा क्या होता है? उधर व्हाइट पेन, व्हाइट बोर्ड के लिए है. या माय नेम इज डॉक्टर not TP Shishkumar, Dr. TPS. केरला में सिंपल लिखते, केरला में यस शशि कुमार का स्पेलिंग SASI है. व्हाट इज केरला स्पेलिंग? SASI. नॉर्थ इंडिया में स्पेलिंग क्या होता है? SHA होता है. ओके, दिस इज केरला स्पेलिंग, दिस इज नॉर्थ इंडिया स्पेलिंग. तो क्या करना आप, मिल गया, यही है लॉजिक. मैं क्यों नहीं लिखा? Before writing you should get it. Understood? So Shiksha is only by name. That is by Shiksha Gurukulam. Dr. TPS का Gurukulam. और AS. This is A. This is S. This is I. That is Shashi. So what is this written? पूरा चैप्टर का हेडिंग A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now you expand and read the heading. The head.
Ambitious, B, beginnings,
Childs.
C, childs, D, women, E, early childhood education, F, futuristic, G, guide.
This is a guide for ambitious children. And HIJKL and MNOPQ. Generally kids are called tiny tots. क्या बोलते हैं? But आजकल बच्चे लोग tiny tots नहीं है. उसके पास क्या चाहिए? मोबाइल फोन. टाइनी थॉट्स नहीं है, दे आर ऑल टेक थॉट्स. क्या है? तो मैं इसमें टाइनी थॉट्स का वर्ड भी नहीं है, इसमें पूरा टेक थॉट्स. मेरा टेक थॉट आई शुड टेल लाइक ऐसा लिखा है, पूरा टेक्नोलॉजी थॉट्स है. सो दिस इज MNOPQRS TUVWXYZ. ये बच्चों के लिए नहीं है, but these are for teachers. Okay. And generally आपको बहुत सारे लेक्चर सुना होगा, टीचर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम सब सुना होगा. ये तो न्यूज़पेपर पे देखो आप, सब लोग बोलते हैं we are in 21st century education. कौन सी एजुकेशन?
21st century.
सेंचुरी का मतलब क्या है? 100 years. Are we talking about 100 years of education? सब लोग हाथ उठाओ. Hold your hands up. Hold it up. Take it on your head. What a stupid fool I am. 100 years education के बारे में आप देख लो. लास्ट 10 years अरुणाचल प्रदेश में क्या-क्या चेंजेस आए. लास्ट 4 साल में एजुकेशन में क्या-क्या चेंजेस आए. बहुत सारे चेंजेस आ गए, नहीं आए? And you are talking about 100-year education. Is it not stupid? तो मैं 100 years के एजुकेशन के बारे में नहीं बोलेगा, मैं सिर्फ ये बोलता हूँ 3, repeat 3, 2, 1, world. कौन सी वर्ल्ड, कौन सी जगह पे हम? 3, 2, 1. वो कौन सी जगह? थर्ड डेकेड ऑफ 21st century. डेकेड मतलब 10 years. हमारा ये डेकेड कब से स्टार्ट हो गया? 2020 से 2030 तक एक डेकेड, थर्ड डेकेड. सो वी आर इन द थर्ड डेकेड, हाफ हो गया हमारा. अभी सिर्फ 5 साल में हमारे बच्चे अभी थर्ड ग्रेड पे है, 8th ग्रेड तक आने तक आप देखेगा लाइफ ऐसे चलेगा. करेक्ट है? हमारा पुराना एजुकेशन चाहिए और नया एजुकेशन चाहिए. नया एजुकेशन, अडैप्टिव लर्निंग, अडैप्ट. अभी का सिचुएशन को मैं कैसे संभालूं? That book is called Adaptive Learning. इसके पहले बुक में लिखा था 2007 में दिल्ली में, लास्ट कोविड टाइम, वो कोविड टाइम पे wrote this book. This is called Adaptive Learning, next gen technology. What is next generation technology? You want elephant here? Elephant can be brought in augmented reality. I'll show the teachers training program में दिखाएं. हमारा on any one of your telephone you can get whatever animal you want, whatever item you want, it will make it sound. वो पूरा टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं चाहिए, बोर्ड पे नहीं चाहिए, to come on your laptop, come on your mobile. सबके लिए एक प्रॉब्लम है, बच्चे लोग कंप्यूटर पे, ये तो लैपटॉप पे, अदरवाइज ऑन फोन टाइम वेस्ट कर, करेक्ट कर, waste no, they are wasting because they did not tell, or you did not tell them where to look for what information. सही जगह पे जाके ये करो, definitely they will learn much better. So you have to direct them. Teachers का job not teaching but directing. Adaptive learning. And I went to Sri Lanka. I wrote a Sri Lankan adaptive technology. Abhi, you want this in Arunachal Pradesh? Make your 20 teachers sit together 2 days, 3 days. I will tell you how to write this book on adaptive learning in Arunachal Pradesh. आपका अलग बुक चाहिए, क्योंकि अरुणाचल प्रदेश का सिस्टम अलग है, केरला का सिस्टम अलग है, कश्मीर का अलग है, गुजरात का अलग है. So आपको एजुकेशन क्या चाहिए? आपको बच्चों को सिखाना हमारा काम. नर्सरी राइट पे क्या है? नर्सरी राइट no, but one immediately what comes to you? Twinkle twinkle little star. कब से पढ़ा रहा हूँ? Who is the author of that? Teacher, principal. किसने लिखा है वो मालूम नहीं. Don't worry. Every principal in India is there. मैं तो कुछ पढ़ा रहा हूँ, वो पोएट्री, वो पोएम किसने लिखा है मालूम नहीं. I know it will take a little. वो बच्चों को भी मालूम है, टीचर्स को भी मालूम है. वो क्या फर्क है दोनों से? हैं? बोलो. वो क्यों? Why are you learning it? Why are you learning? Some parents can ask this. Why am I learning this? Why my child is learning this? और दूसरा what is that? बाबा. हाँ. Why बाबा ब्लक्ष? Why are we learning बाबा ब्लक्ष? वो किसने लिखा है, कहाँ लिखा है, कब लिखा है? 100 साल पहले नहीं है. 1800 पे इन यूरोप टैक्स सिस्टम में 30% goes to government, 30% goes to the church, 30% to the poor boy. वो टैक्स सिस्टम के बारे में कोई कविता लिखा है, आपका एलकेजी चिल्ड्रन अभी भी पढ़ रहा है. Tell me what is the purpose? Are you getting? New education policy says informal education. What is informal education? कोई बुक रेफर मत करो. आप बच्चों को लेके ये पूरा आपका प्लान है. Ask your children what is the name of this plan? What is the name of this plan? What is this color? What is that color? Why this color is green? How to get that color? Why that color is different? How that metal is made? सब prompt engineering. सब जगह पे आप क्या क्या देख सकते हैं उसके बारे में क्वेश्चंस पूछो. वो पूरा क्वेश्चंस लिख के आपके पास आ जाओ. They will become good. Are you getting it? That is knowledge. So what we are following, that is what is new education policy, but we don't change. So you want to change? You want to change? Yes. If you want to change, all the parents should become part of it, contributing. This is a new item which I made. आप क्राफ्ट करते हो. क्राफ्ट में क्या होता है? वैक्स,
आइटम लेके आप उसका मॉडल बना के फ्रॉग, स्नेक, फ्लावर, भैया मेकिंग विद वैक्स, मेक विद आपका आटा से बना हुआ, आटा से बना के आप चपाती को शेप में बना के दे दो बच्चों को, हो गया। Are you getting? So craft should become active craft. So all these ideas are written in this, and this is the book she was mentioning, the Gita. That's for your life.
All these are for your life. This is 5-elemented education. What is 5 elements?
Earth, water, air, fire, ether.
हमारे बाहर क्या देख रहे हैं पूरा खोज के लेवल से नॉलेज,
That is this knowledge. Again, 3, 2, 1 word.
पुराना कहानी नहीं बोल, this is mind mastery, how to control your mind. Me plus another author, Azerbaijan psychologist, both together. This is civil service students handbook. IAS बनना चाहता हूँ, not you, your children. This is the gate book. मैंने लिखा, उसका नाम है, right? How to prepare for that. This is life made simple. वो बुक के बारे में भी बोला. This is mental health care. This is another book you put by mistake. So many are. This is only few. Another 40 books are there. आप इंटरनेट पे जाओ, you can download most of it. Kindle, Amazon, Pocket TPS books. So this is what I want to thank you. So much to learn. Teachers have to become creative teachers. What to become? Creative teachers. So if you are creative, what you can do? You can change your children. You can change your education. So I am sure this school called me. Your chairman is here listening. Normally chairman will not sit like this. Normally principal will not sit like this. Principal so immediately acted. Then I asked, do you know me? These are my teachers. Look at it. Ready to learn? Then I. But then एक दिन के लिए बोला, if I come, I have to talk to teachers, then parents, then students. Nice that first मेरे parents को बात करें, क्योंकि then they know, teachers know this is where parents are involved, because school is not run by principal, school is not run by teachers. Who is paying the teachers? Are you getting?
Parents.
Parents are paying. Suppose I am giving salary. That means what? I am paying salary, or I am somebody is paying, then I must return to them, right? So all parents have got responsibility to tell what is that my children, because I am paying. Understood? Who are all the teachers? Teachers are including me. I will always keep saying, I am a teacher, I am a servant of my student. Are you getting it? Don't ever think my teacher, I am a teacher, you should listen. No. And you are paying me, you should listen. But it is my responsibility to make him go to the right direction. Understood? What am I teaching in the LKG? Tinkle, tinkle, पूरा सभी ठीक है. But that objective and scope, why? और 10 twist के लिए, brain improvement के लिए अच्छा. Logic नहीं है उसके लिए. Reason don't ask me. But I should know. Child need not know. I should know. Then next level. When I am teaching somebody 10th class में, then I know 10th class सब लोग maths के
केमिस्ट्री नहीं पढ़े, सब थोड़े लोग मैथ्स को जाता है, थोड़े केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स। I don't know whether this boy tomorrow will become judge, whether this boy will become a collector, whether this boy will become an engineer, whether this boy will become a politician. मुझे पता नहीं है. He may become an actor tomorrow. देखो, बहुत एक्टिंग कर रहा है. Understood? So when we look at each children, he is an actor, he is a politician, he is a judge. ऐसा देख के उसको पढ़ाना. So you know how teacher will become? Teacher will become great. My job is I must see my student becomes highest in my society. This school is great not when 3,000 children every year 100 children 10th class pass out हो गए. सब स्कूल में ऐसे होता है. This school is not great when so many people pass out. School is great only when one student becomes chief minister of Arunachal Pradesh. One student becomes High Court chief justice. One student becomes film actor, actress. Then I will say, yeah, my school is great. Correct or not? Yes or no? So who are you? Your responsibility पास करना नहीं है. पास सब हो जाता है. इंडिया में सब लोग पास हो जाते हैं. बट काम तो नहीं मिलेगा. काम तो मिलेगा, सैलरी तो नहीं मिलेगा. So what is important? You must make money. Learn. What is the job? What is the job? Learn. L. बोलिए L. E A R N. Learning that time पे you have to keep a elbow dry. Learning के बाद क्या करते हैं? Remove L. Learn, remove L. What you will get? Learn. So learning के बाद क्या होना है? Learning. So what is life? मेरा पूरा books और दूसरा books भी है. उसमें भी life के बारे में लिखते हैं. Life medicine पढ़ते हैं. ये पढ़े. LIFE. LIFE. What is life? What is life? What is life? Going on like this. Is it correct? No. Live in full enjoyment. LIFE. What is life? Learn in full enjoyment. ये बच्चों के लिए what is life? क्या है enjoyment? Learn in full enjoyment. What is life? Learn in full enjoyment. What is life? Learning is an investment. अभी टाइम खर्च कर रहा हूं. क्यों? For future earning. So life has to be understood, clearly learned. सब कुछ possible. Confidence रहना है, physical fitness होना है. So what to eat, how to eat, when to eat, what to see, what to learn, how to ask questions. ये पूरा काम up to 3 age 3 to grade 3. उसके बाद maths, physics, chemistry, biology सब पढ़ा. Tomorrow is a great day. What is tomorrow? 28th. What is special for India? 28th February क्या हुआ? What is India? 28th February. Do you know that's a science day? It's celebrated as Science Day. Why? C.V. Raman, you heard? Who is C.V. Raman? Only one physics Nobel Prize winner in India, C.V. Raman. This is the day 28th February 1928. 28, he invented something. He took birth, lived 82 years. 28, 82. 82 years he lived and died. He is a Calcutta ka tha, Bengal. He is from Madras. Great scientist, Indian Institute of Science पे था. There is a great institute Bangalore पे, Raman Institute, physics. आप when you see the sky, अलग-अलग कलर दिखते हैं ना, red, violet, blue, white. उसके बारे में रिसर्च किया. He is a specialist on color. लाइट के कलर अलग-अलग क्यों हो रहा है? उसके बारे में पहली बार नोबेल प्राइज उसको मिला इंडिया में. 2 Nobel prizes. After that, 1 or 2 has come, partly Indian, but दो ही लोग था. One is Tagore, one is C.V. Raman. India only 2 Nobel Prize in the whole world. C.V. Raman, his birthday. Every day we should know what is today's mission. Why are you celebrating? आज का दिन का importance क्या है? बच्चे लोगों को पूरा सीखना. That is education. When you wanted to become IAS, you must know India. हमारे गांव के बारे में नहीं, पूरा दुनिया के बारे में मालूम ना. उसके पहले इंडिया के बारे में. So 7th class तक इंडिया के बारे में पूरा मालूम. मतलब 8th to 12th दुनिया के बारे में पूरा मालूम. तो पूरा साइंस के बारे में. That is what is education. अभी ऐसे बात करते तो पूरा आदत हो गया. But I am stopping here क्योंकि आपसे क्वेश्चंस आ रहा है. I can give you answer. Good enough?